थैंक यू।
Please wait, please don't ask me. Please, I really request you. Please wait. Please wait. ये पीछे बैठो नहीं आएगी।
ये मोबाइल नीचे रखो यार।
ए भाई बैठे व्हाइट शर्ट
ये एक्सक्यूज मी, वहाँ पे आके खड़े ना हो जाओ तुम।
अब एक तो उतना दूर से आवाज नहीं आएगा। ऑडियो प्रेशर अरे इन लोग मोबाइल आगे है, मोबाइल उन लोग को राइट कर दो। उमेश
Let me say my best and after no problem. No problem. It's all free flow, it's all easy. Yeah? It's all straight from the heart. That's what it's all about. It is the day of smiles and good evening everyone. Namaskar to all present here, all the families, all the babies, members of the media. Thank you so much for being here today with all of us, with my family, my mother, my daughter, my Masis are here and my cousin brother. And thank you for celebrating the day of smiles with us today on my father's birthday, the 20th of November. Smile Train is an organization that I've been working with and been associated with now for nearly a decade. And I'm so, dare I use the word, impressed. And I'm so happy, so blessed with the commitment with which the work gets done to bring back smiles in the lives of children and families and so many people around the world. We had the blessing of underlining and celebrating 500,000 cleft surgeries here in India by Smile Train earlier this year in March. And even though Smile Train so generously kept thanking me for coming and sharing my time on the day to underline it and to bring attention to it, I must admit that the blessing was mine to be there on that day and to share this fact with the rest of the world, because smile, look at me, I'm beaming right now. It's the right of every human being to be able to smile every waking day of your life. We all talk about, we need to find very philosophically and emotionally that let us all find a reason to smile every day. But here we're discussing, let us be able to smile every day to begin with. And that's the basic human right. And it is possible. And here at Smile Train, that medical fact is shared with people all around the world, that it is possible to correct the cleft palate with surgery. And the information yet has to spread far and wide, especially in a nation like ours, where superstition, हिंदी में कहूँगी अंधविश्वास, इतने सारे सोच विचार में इतने सारे बिलीव्स हैं हमारे देश में कि लोग समझते हैं कि अगर बच्चों का जन्म ये क्लेफ्ट लिप पैलेट के साथ हुआ है तो कुछ अंधविश्वासी ही कारण निकालते हैं, और शायद लोग ना जाने कि इसका सुधार है, इसको करेक्ट किया जा सकता है, और ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों तक ये पहुँचे, ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, और इसीलिए हम धन्यवाद देते हैं मीडिया कि आप यहाँ आते हैं, आप ही हमारी आवाज़ है कि हम देश के कोनों कोनों तक ये मैसेज पहुँचा सकें और लोग ये जाने कि इसका इलाज क्लेफ्ट लिप पैलेट का सर्जरी के साथ है, किया जा सकता है। और स्माइल ट्रेन की तरफ अगर आप हाथ बढ़ाएं तो ऐसे बढ़ाएं भी तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा, और बढ़ाएं तो वो है आपकी मदद करने के लिए। So please do reach out, because Smile Train is here to help you, to bring the basic gift of life, the gift of a smile, the right to have this corrected. And yeah, let's just embrace each other and be there. The moment I got to know about the organization almost a decade ago, I was happy to join hands personally through my foundation. And you know, that's what happens when we're in the public life. We are made aware of so many causes that need attention, and can do with our voice aiding the message reach across every corner of our country and beyond our borders as well, or all around the world. Today with social media, that is possible. The world is so much smaller, so let's do this together. And I know both babies, please give them water, food, whatever they need. Huh? If you need to excuse yourself, please do the needful. I just have to state a few facts with you, that it's not just about a smile, it's about the fact that children be able to breathe easily, they'll be able to swallow their saliva, they'll be able to drink water, they'll be able to eat, they'll be able to have clarity of speech, which gives them a way of life up ahead as human beings growing up in this world of so many opportunities. And that's why while you recognize, every time we say smile, you think we're talking just about the physicality. No, it's about your basic right to a way of life. And that is something that we all need to come together and make possible as a gift to people's lives here. Just some important facts that Smile Train has shared with me, and I would like to share with you, that 1 in 700 children are born with clefts in India. And Smile Train works in 110 cities, and with 110 plus cities and 160 plus partner hospitals to provide free cleft surgeries. And here I would like to thank all the surgeons. I smile at you as I look at you. Having too much time. And you give your valuable time. Please stand up and take a bow. Let them see you. Thank you, docs. All of you, thank you. You all give us your time. You all commit to helping change lives. So thank you. You are our angels and love you for it. God bless. And we are joined by all these doctors from Himalayan Institute, Dehradun, Bhagwan Mahavir Jain Hospital, Bangalore, and Savitri Hospital, Gorakhpur. I think they're going to be over video conferencing soon in a minute. And there's another new thing that Smile Train is going to be launching, and that is the Right to Smile pledge. And we'd like to say that while, of course, a child's smile is the most beautiful, pure and precious thing, and I've had the blessing of experiencing that, I'd like to say that, we need to come together and spread this smile and spread this blessing in everyone's lives, encourage each other to come together and make our contributions. Every year, I make a small contribution on this very special day, my father's birthday, the 20th of November. We have decided to call it the Day of Smiles, so every year we'll be here celebrating it. And on that day, I personally pledge to 100 cleft lip palate surgeries. I'll be getting that done for sure, year after year. And anybody out there feeling generous enough to contribute towards it, you can connect with me through my foundation, the Aishwarya Rai Foundation, or Smile Train directly. But it's not about the avenue, it's about the destination. So we need to help everybody out there who needs the aid, so let's make it possible. So be generous. I welcome you all to join us in this endeavor and become a part of this beautiful family that we together bring the blessing of smiles in children and families' lives. God bless. Thank you all and love you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Smile Train, for honoring my father's memory. I think I smile. I know he's at peace. I know he smiles as he blesses me, us. He's with Mum, he's with Aradhya, with us every waking day of our lives. And he's our angel, our guardian angel. And it's his teachings, it's his guidance, everything inculcated throughout our life. Them, Mum and Dad. We talk about them while they're here and when they travel on. So Mum and Dad, thank you for all that you've inculcated and taught, and how important you've made it for us to recognize that we have to appreciate the blessings we have had in our life, and we have to share that blessing, share that smile, and empower as many children that we can in our lifetime, just like we have had this blessing. I've had this blessing. Thank you, Mum and Dad. Thank you for blessing Aradhya, and love you all. Thanks.
We will now play a very short tribute to Sri Krishna Raj Rai via this very short AV. Can we have the AV, please? Thank you.
मेरे को कुछ मिल रहा नहीं है बिल्लू साथ तो मस्त बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ
अरे आगे मत खड़े
कवरेज लाएंगे
भाई देखो सब खड़े होते हैं
बैठ जाओ मोबाइल
मोबाइल
बैठ जाओ मोबाइल
बैठ जाओ
मोबाइल
अरे मारेंगे बेटा अंकल बैठे प्लीज यार
मोबाइल मोबाइल प्लीज आगे मोबाइल अरे मार के भी भाग जाओ इधर नहीं मिलता बस
खाली बस. अरे
मोबाइल खाली बस ना
अरे मित्रा साईडला ये.
Super, but will it be on tomorrow?
खाली बस रे बाबा
और आंटी बैठने वाली नहीं है.
हो ताई खाली बसा.
बसा खाली. हेलो अजय हट ना.
हो काका मोबाईल
है ना एक
मोबाइल?
बच्चे ये जितने देख लो आगे. हाँ वो जो तुम्हें रखा था ना उसमें लेके आया मैंने. हाँ. नहीं जो ना तुमने लगाया था ना वो फेविक्विक वो बैठ गया. हाँ उधर है वो आगे जीप में. हाँ हाँ अभी हो रहा है मेरा. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. लास्ट टाइम मला रोज तुझे उठा ते कसं राग.
ए खाली बसा
ए अजय
होय.
ए खाली बसा.
ए लाल टी शर्ट
एक्सक्यूज मी. अरे बैठ जाओ. हेलो
टी शर्ट
बैठ जाओ ये सामने बैठ जाओ.
ये
ये मोबाइल अजय ये मोबाइल बैठ जाओ. चल.
ओ मैडम ये
स्टिल
हो गया अभी कितना चिल्लाएंगे. ये चल रहा है.
तो क्या हुआ तो लोग नीचे नहीं है तो चिल्लाना पड़ेगा ना. चिल्लाने से काम होता है.
माणूस चला अजून उभा आहे.
अरे ये भाई कौन है ये. इधर दे दो.
खाली बसवा त्यांना खाली बसवा त्यांना
बसो देन. बसो.
बसा सगळ्यांना खाली.
अरे उनके बच्चे रोज नहीं मिलते ऐसे ऐसे.
मध्ये आला.
स्टिल अजय
सब बैठे. अजय खड़ा खाली.
स्टिल
मेरे फ्रेम में आना नहीं. बिलाल मारूंगा कहा है.
स्टिल
हो काका
स्टिल
झालं का काय तुम्हाला एवढा हाक मारतो यार. मध्येच हात उभे करून उभे आहे.
स्टिल
ते बसलेत बरोबर,
Still.
तुम्ही उभे होतात.
स्टिल स्वप्निल स्वप्निल
कुठं गेला बोला.
स्वप्निल लोग नहीं रहते तो ना मजा आता.
थँक्यू.
मिला क्या महेश? हाँ। बैग किधर है इसका?
बोललोच मग आता तू निघणार होतो मी. गाडी कसली बाहेर दे. आला की तू- काय नाही